In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Loox reviews from a Shopify store quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to analyze customer feedback, create a backup, or simply keep a close eye on the pulse of your store's reputation, extracting these reviews can be incredibly valuable. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand because you'll need to access your Shopify admin account to proceed with this process. Once you've arrived at Shopify, log into your account. If you're not already logged in, this will be your first step to gaining access to all the apps and tools available to you within the Shopify ecosystem. Once logged in, head over to the Shopify admin page. Here, you'll see a multitude of options for managing your store. What we want to focus on today is the Apps section, so go ahead and click on that. Inside the Apps section, you should see the Loox app listed there. It's one of the most popular review platforms integrated with Shopify, which makes it convenient to manage customer feedback. Click on the Loox app to open its dashboard. Now, you're in the Loox environment, and from the dashboard, your next step is to find the Reviews tab. It's usually located at the top of the screen or within the left-hand menu, depending on how your dashboard is configured. This tab is where all the magic happens with your store's reviews. When you click on the Reviews tab, you'll see a range of options and information related to customer feedback. The next part is crucial. Within this Reviews section, look for a link or button labeled something along the lines of Export all reviews to .csv file. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to download all of your customer reviews in a CSV format, which is a widely used format that's compatible with most spreadsheet programs. So, go ahead and click on that link. Once you click the export link, a CSV file containing all of your Loox reviews will automatically start downloading to your browser. Depending on your browser settings, the file might either save to your default Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a save location. You now have a comprehensive file of all your reviews at your disposal, which you can open, analyze, or store as needed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all of your Loox reviews from your Shopify store. This tool can be quite powerful when used for data analysis, customer feedback, or even showcasing testimonials in a different format. Thank you for following along, and happy analyzing.